Tired of high utility bills? Majewski Plumbing has the answer. Introducing Flow by Moen, the leading leak prevention and detection system on today's market. No other system comes close to it. Flow is an interactive, user-friendly app that monitors water usage simply and efficiently. How does Flow beat the competition? The Flow system monitors the flow of water without needing leak sensors. This device notifies you of possible leaks or drips from faucets, tubs, and showers. Receive notifications of abnormal usage when a faucet is left on or when a shower runs for a long time. You can manually shut off your device from anywhere in the world, a standard in plumbing appliances because it's made by Moen. Not only for leaks, Flow shows how you can save money and lower your bills by tracking and optimizing water usage. Don't let your hard-earned money go down the drain. Call today for a free estimate. Majewski Plumbing, serving the shore since 2004.